Hello everyone. So unfortunately had a bad day for Tesla. Shares down 6% as short-term traders don't like the news that Tesla's breaking records again. However, if you're a long-term trader, you realize that this is what Tesla does. They just keep breaking records and they keep selling more vehicles, making more money. And if you're an investor who's holding in for the long term, everything's looking good. However, if you're a short-term trader, I guess they were buying the rumor and selling the news. And we saw that Reuters had to change their headline for their article 3 times because initially they had said that, well, I got the headline here because I saved it for my last video. Tesla posts record deliveries but misses estimates as competition weighs. And now when you go to the same link, it shows that the headline is Tesla posts record quarter deliveries after price cuts, up 4% from Q4. So I guess they got a lot of pushback saying that the article was inaccurate and the headline was misleading, as they were pulling data from a source that I had never heard of. Which, yeah, there's a lot of people making estimates out there on what Tesla's going to deliver in a quarter, but in general, they met expectations for their deliveries, and it was a record quarter. Yes, there's still questions surrounding the margin, but however, people seem to forget that Tesla had raised their prices massively because there was such a backlog of orders. It was going to take a year for you to get a brand new Tesla. So prices were ridiculous because they didn't want their customers to have to wait a year to get a car. So they ramped the prices up. This is just what, running a business looks like. You raise prices when you can, you lower them when deemed necessary. But the market seems to think that this is such a negative thing for Tesla and they're going to have to continue to lower prices. However, I think they're in the best position out of any automotive company to lower their prices, as they had huge margins, 25% profit margin on vehicle sales. So no other automaker was at that level. They're at single digit profit margins. So Tesla can do that. They can cut prices and they're going to sell more vehicles and they're still going to make profit. If you're focused on the long term, it's all good. Business is good for Tesla. If you're focused on the short term, the profits might not be as large as they were previously on a per vehicle basis. They have record quarter after record quarter after record quarter of sales and deliveries, and production keeps ramping up. So Tesla's doing fine. So the fact that it's down 6% today, it just gave back the gains that it got on Friday, and that's fine with me. It's just noise, short-term noise, and the long-term story for Tesla. Diving into this article from Reuters, I see that yesterday they said the consensus was 430,000 vehicles. Now it's 432,000 vehicles from a different source. The source now is FactSet. It's not the Renuvative or whatever source they had yesterday. I see now that Reuters article has been updated and it had added a paragraph saying that Tesla missed the figure analysts surveyed by Refinitiv and FactSet were expecting. Other estimates show Tesla beat Wall Street expectations with its 422,875 vehicles delivered. Depends on who you look at. Some said it was a miss and some said it was a beat. So yeah, in general, like I said, they met expectations. But bottom line, Tesla's doing great. Short-term noise. Long-term, things are looking great. My name's Evan Bertrand. I'm still getting used to this new equipment here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Click on the wheel to subscribe, and thanks for watching.